Same thing I do at home. Just shoveling snow and clearing out, pretty much like everybody is, you know. I live in Deer Park. We had about a foot of snow yesterday, and so I think this is just kind of everybody's chore this morning.
As far as the snow, it was great to play in, but not good to drive in. It was wonderful as far as building snowmen and playing with the kids, but as long as we don't have to take the cars, it would have been nicer to stay home.
It's really cold. It's like
very cold.
20 degrees.
You'll probably shiver if you don't have any snow pants or coats or gloves. Probably be an ice cube right now.
So what are we gonna do? Yeah, I was attacking.
It's interesting. You gotta fill it, give it all your energy and keep plugging away, but be safe and don't fall down, because you get hurt and it takes two guys to pack your route. So you just gotta do the best you can. Stay warm, stay hydrated.
And what's the motto of the U.S. Postal Service?
Anytime, anywhere, baby. You have a good one.